Good morning, TL Travelers, and welcome to or welcome back to the TL Travel YouTube channel. If you are new here, welcome to the family. Right now we are exploring in beautiful sunny Costa Rica. We have had quite the adventure so far. If you missed it, we started in the north by Marbella Beach. We did some exploring around Tamarindo and also Playa Octal. We headed into the mountains to Monteverde. We headed south to Uvita, and now we are back in the north in Playa Octal. So because this pretty much is the end of our vacation, we're a little bit on the lazy side right now. We don't have any huge adventures planned. We're going to definitely show you guys around this beautiful boutique hotel that we're staying at. Super, super cute. And then we definitely need to head out and grab some, what realistically is brunch at this point. So if you love travel content, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and let's just jump right into it. So really quickly, I'm going to show you guys around the interior of our room here. When you first walk in, there is a toilet room on one side and then like more of a shower, sink, bathroom area on the other. The indoor sleeping and lounging area is right here. We have a nice comfortable bed with a really cute like backboard made from local materials that are found around here. The owner was super, super kind in showing us around and really like talking about how the room was designed. I think his wife is an interior designer from what I could gather. So you can definitely tell when you're looking around that even though this room is pretty standard, it's everything that you need. It's very comfortable, and the design of it is very cute and cohesive and welcoming. We would definitely recommend having a rental car if you're going to be going out and exploring and everything from up here. But if you are just staying for a couple of days, they do have like food services and stuff. You can order fresh meals and breakfast and dinners and all that kind of stuff and just sort of lounge around the pool. And it's just like the perfect little spot. I cannot wait to show you guys the pool area and like outdoor lounge area that we've got out here. But before I do that, let's go get some food. Derek's gonna try and Austin Powers maneuver his way out of this parking spot. This is where the cinder block is. So parking is available, but a little tight. Okay, so we are back at the villa now. Absolutely sweltering hot. It has been a beautiful, hot, sunny day all day so far. We really enjoyed our breakfast. We had like our brunch, I guess I should say, at Java Coffee. The whole area around here is a lot more developed than we had in the other spots that we stayed. So it feels a little bit crowded to us, but I think it would be like the perfect sort of getaway for anyone who's looking for all of the same sort of amenities, restaurants, cafes, all that kind of stuff near the beach, but like not the typical resort area, all-inclusive resort, that kind of feel. So we really enjoyed that. We went down to the beach. The beach was beautiful, very similar to Playa Hermosa, which we visited at the start of our journey here, so I'll link that above as well. But yeah, before I hop in the pool, I'm just going to show you guys really quickly around the exterior of the hotel and our stunning view. So all of the bottom level rooms here at Pura Vista have this gorgeous view, ocean view, and their own sort of little sitting and tanning areas. The pool, as you can see, isn't super large by any means, but it is the perfect size for a boutique hotel of this
size. From what I can tell, Pura Vista only has 6 rooms. They have 4 on the bottom level with the walkouts, and then 2 above on the second level with balconies. And then the rest of the space upstairs is like the reception and restaurant balcony lounge sort of area. So I believe that I have waited long enough, and now I am going to enjoy some relaxing time in the pool with Derek, who's gotten started without me. I don't think I've ever seen anyone looking so relaxed. And I'll catch up with you guys later with my final thoughts on this amazing little spot. Okay, you guys, so some time has passed. I want to say that we accomplished a ton, but we didn't really. We just kind of swam around the pool, enjoyed the view. Now we're just relaxing here. Derek's here. Hi, Derek. And we're just kind of enjoying like the last of the sunlight for this last full day in Octal. For those of you who might be interested in checking out Hotel Pura Vista, I would definitely recommend it. I would recommend it with a car for sure. Just because it is like a bit uphill to get that view, but it is just like the perfect little hidden gem, and like value, like cost for what you get, I would say totally, you know, right on the mark. I read a lot before I came about the owners being super, super nice. We only had the pleasure of meeting one owner when we first checked in, but he was just fantastic and like showed us around, gave us like a little history of the room itself and everything that comes included and all the little extras that you can get your hands on. They do breakfasts and dinners that you can like order ahead of time, and they get prepared fresh each day, so that's really, really nice. And then of course you have the added benefit of it just being like a small quiet spot, so that's been really, really nice for us, especially relaxing at the end of our trip. It's been great. And yeah, now we're just kind of laying up here. We're gonna eventually watch the sunset because it should be absolutely beautiful, but we've also been just sort of laying out watching like the parakeets and all of the birds and all of the kind of wildlife run by, so it's just been like a good chill afternoon. So yeah, I think that's everything that I have to cover. If you have any questions or anything, feel free to leave them in the comments down below. But if not, definitely hit that like button if you enjoyed this video and if you love Costa Rica. And hit that subscribe button because we post new travel content every Thursday and Sunday. And until I see you guys in my next video, and as Costa Rica comes to a close, stay great, travel safe, and I'll see you for our next adventure. Bye guys!